Hello, I'm Jeff Shermack with Safety Speed Manufacturing, here located in Minnesota. This is our 3760 wide belt sander, manufactured literally within feet from where I'm standing. There's a couple different options. We have the single phase and also the 3-phase. Air requirements would be 60 to 65 PSI. Since there is a low air sensor, the machine will not start up unless you have that minimal air pressure. The recommended dust collection would be 1,000 CFM of suction. I'm going to take you through a demonstration, just sanding a piece of 3/4 inch pine. Here we go, let's get started. First thing is turning the air control switch on. That's going to power up the control panel, so then I can turn the machine on, hitting the green button. And then I'm going to hit the yellow button for the conveyor.